Hi, welcome to another video. This will be the last one before Christmas, so I thought we'd do like the previous week. I've been out sketching almost every day, using my oil sticks in this sea white plein air sketchbook, and I thought I'd take you through that because we've had some nice frosty weather, and the idea was today was to go out and do the last one outdoors with the oil sticks, but it's actually chucking it down with rain, which is typical. Me and Basil have had a shorter town walk in the pouring rain. I've just got back and got my coffee, and I thought I'd just take you through this sketchbook. So I hope you'll enjoy that, and see you when I've finished. Cheers. Basil, ready? Finished? There, look. Good boy. We're all done. Sketching in the frost. And Basil's ready to go home. Hey, Basil, come on then. Good boy. Just a frosty scene sketched with oil sticks and a graphite stick and my old credit card scraping around. There's my pool over there. Hello. What are you up to? Looking for some food, I think. This is the moon, check that out, and the starlings that were there earlier. And I've just sort of drawn them in with a graphite pencil, and this sort of morning light, and it is absolutely freezing. My fingers are frozen. That's oil sticks on this sea white plein air smooth paper. Really good fun. Samantha, Basil, time to go. You a bit bored, Basil? Hey, Basil. You're ignoring me now. It's part way through. Just got a few things to finish off, and here he comes over. He's fed up. All right, Basil. Right, so that's the 16th I better write the date on, hadn't I, actually? Forgot. Let's just write that in. The 16th, that's today. Basil's hairs. And it's freezing, and we can see from the ice there and the tyre tracks. So 16th December, it's about 8:45, and we're up looking over towards Low Pool. Is over here, tucked in there, and this is Nanswidden. It's freezing. And somebody's getting fed up, isn't you, Basil? Hey, Basil, are you fed up? Yes. So time to go. He's had enough. Red wings flying around with field fairs. There's Low Pool. Totally amazing. Swing it round then. Let's go that way. Good bit. Oh. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that look through my previous week's sketching. Outdoors, really good fun, a lot of them, and I love that frosty dry weather, much better than what we've got outside today. Hopefully I'll be going out painting. If the weather stays dry, we'll have a nice plein air painting video for you for next week, which will be Christmas Day as it happens, when I put the next video out. But yeah, thanks for watching, and bye for now. Mustn't forget my coffee. You're nice and happy now you're back home, Basil, not so wet. Yeah, perhaps we'll have to light the fire for him.